Right, that he's going to go out flying. Going to go and fly some FPV freestyle stuff. He's going to be good girls. Well, as you can see, the dogs are really concerned about us leaving. But today is going to be an exciting day because we're going to go and fly some FPV freestyle. And we're going to meet up with someone who we've not met before, Lucky B FPV on his YouTube. And yeah, we're going to go and do some flying. What's interesting today is I've got my little 3-inch to rip around. Oh dear. Catch you in a bit.
Yeah. Intense experiments provide intricate answers. Why I attack weakness like hip cancers. I sip lances to drink the pain away quicker. My game stays slicker than all you gay trickers. I spray niggas like paint and ain't illin' for the killing. I pack clips that spit in the millions, fulfilling your needs like 1-900 numbers. Pretty when I talk shitty. Now did he wonder? Am I the true and living? No clues are given. Crews are getting waxed like wood floors and they be slipping. Ripping up mics like your hoe on PMS. There's no reasoning for the treason and all the stress. The bleeding of the flesh is imperial. For the serial killer, iller than David Koresh. Waited the best out, I'm nocturnal. I get ya like sweat, I wet ya and left you like a specter. Just a trace of arsenic and old lace. The coroner can't replace the holes in your fucking face. Chasing dreams like them kids from California. I'ma warn ya, I'm up on you. I'm in the mood to make moves and gain status. So let's see which MCs be the baddest. I'm in the mood to get cash without the rocks. So let's see all real G's who don't stop. I'm in the mood to make moves and gain status. So let's see which MCs be the baddest. I'm in the mood to get cash without the rocks. So let's see all real G's who don't stop. Peace to my niggas upon bids. I warn kids of my addiction to exterminate your fiction. Beherits inherit slugs when the Asheron's bashed upon the fist of gods like the wrath of dawn. You're nervous cause my word hits. You're in the catatonic. My raps upon it like sinners up in us. So winner, follow the sinner. Smoke beginners, the winner of your discontents where I meant to send you. The ends accumulate like kids and Papa Dot. I drop a lot like diuretics, the rock and not. I embedded the subliminal from the criminal militia. Remove heads for the love of Jesus de Christa. Then it's the comp that got torch spans the ages. In my third life, I blaze and laid shame the sages. You don't know me, I'm faceless. So take this and puff one time for your mind and find traces of bodies battered and bruised. So cruise through the brew, bloodshed and carnage results. So when I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood to make moves and gain status. So let's see which MCs be the baddest. I'm in the mood to get cash without the rocks. So let's see all real G's who don't stop. I'm in the mood to make moves and gain status. So let's see which MCs be the baddest. I'm in the mood to get cash without the rocks. So let's see all real G's who don't stop. You got the mark at 666, so I hit you quick. My script will rip any shit that your clip will flip. My lips will split blades that cut grades and hurt no names. Plain insane, liable to go out like Kurt Cobain. I learned the show's plain, never show clean. Beneath the remains, I often see stains from games using propane. From putting fire under rappers' asses, the master passes. All herbs and nerves, I smash the glasses. Lethal intent from beefs who've been since been deaded. Buried from the flurries of hot lead that was embedded in swine's noses. Fuck the days of wine and roses. Used to be my man, but check the threat my 9 poses. Reminds of roses, I suppose it's just the pressure from hit squads. Gunning to get bods, running your shit's hard. In the jungle of concrete, the Don Peach weak dreams and break them like Pete Freems. That's my street scene, mad depression. Got my dread swarming the concession spots, you're dead on them. Now here's the warning. I'm in the mood to make moves and gain status. So let's see which MCs be the baddest. I'm in the mood to get cash without the rocks. So let's see all real G's who don't stop. I'm in the mood to make moves and gain status. So let's see which MCs be the baddest. I'm in the mood to get cash without the rocks. So let's see all real G's who don't stop.